Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don call on all sport-loving Edo people make dem come out in large number to cheer Bendel Insurance Football Club to victory against ASO Chief FC of Algeria for the CAF Confederation Cup first preliminary game on Saturday by 4 o'clock for Samuel Ogbe Stadium, Benin. The governor talked this one through the Chief Press Secretary, Andrew Okugbowa, where he collaborated with Chairman Edo State Sports Commission, Yusuf Ali, for one talk with Tori people on Wednesday, August 16th for Samuel Ogbe Stadium, Benin City. Andrew Okugbowa talk say the state government don make provision for 30 luxurious ECTS bus wey go dey available to convey football fans to Samuel Ogbe Stadium to cheer Bendel Insurance FC to victory against ASO Chief of Algeria for the first round preliminary match of CAF Confederation Cup on Saturday. Okugbowa talk say the state government dey do everything possible to give Bendel Insurance the support wey dem need for them to triumph over their opponents on Saturday. And for us for the state, this na wetin we go tell our children say Bendel Insurance play continental football after many years, and the well-being of the players and officials, the state government dey very interested.
Our governor is putting everything to ensure that our team, Bendel Insurance, come Saturday when we'll be having this game, because for us it's historic. Having not been on this stage in the last 4 years, and so coming to this point we are now, and given the fact that we've made history in the last abridged league, and even also the FA Cup that brought us where we are now, so the state government is quite aware of this, and so because of that, every effort is being made to ensure that no stone is left unturned, that our team will come top. That's why I can say all of us here will be brainstorming in the course of the week to ensure that we give the team the best. The team is being mobilized already. The management, the players, they are all in good spirit and in good state to come out on Saturday to do us proud. But the other link is the people, all of us. So, and that's why we are here, to ensure that the people are mobilized from all nook and corners of our city and the state to come to the stadium.
Chairman Edo Sports Commission Yusuf Ali talk say make everybody come out in mass to support Bendel Insurance on Saturday for the first leg encounter, and say the match na must win sake of say them dey play for home, and say because of the support when Bendel Insurance need, they no go collect gate fee as na free to watch the match, and say the first 100 people to come the stadium will get free insurance jersey.
This year they went through lifting the FA Cup. We all saw the FA Cup. Bendel Insurance were the only team last year that played their league and went undefeated. And I think you agree with me that in this part of the world, in this country, that was a record set by any club side, although it was an abridged league. But if you watch and look at the number of matches played before the Super 6, where the first defeat came of the season, I think Bendel Insurance did very well, and we, on our part, and people of Edo State, are proud of that team. That is the invisible team. In the Premiership, it was Arsenal 2002-2003 season, but on this part of the world, it's Bendel Insurance 2022-23 season. We are very, very thankful to God, and we are proud of Bendel Insurance. And for you to have gone through a season undefeated, I think we'll not talk about only the players, the coaches. We have a management team behind that club. That means they were well managed. Because sometimes it is not easy to play matches on Sunday or Saturday, come back again on a Wednesday and play a match. You go through stress, you're tired, although we are probably one of the few teams in this country that fly to a venue of competitions. That's also a plus for Bendel Insurance. Now we are playing in the continent. Our first match will be this Saturday. So we need the whole stadium filled up. We want a full capacity. That's why we're trying to do all these things. We have tickets printed. We'll start running jingles. Ticket gates are thrown open. It is free. We are also planning the first 100 that comes to the stadium. We get a free jersey, our merchandising jersey. And we also have, in terms of mobilizations, we have a point of pickup because we've had arrangement with her to roll out 30 buses on a short-term basis.
Managing Director, Edo City Transport Services, Hawa Dukpe Ohikwari, talk say dem dey ready as dem don make 30 buses available and say dem go station 10 of the buses for strategic routes and say the bus go pick and return fan from where dem enter and say the buses go dey places like Ramat Park, Ring Road by ECTS main terminal at Mission Road, Ugbawa, Uniben and other areas.
We have 10 of such strategic routes. The first one on my list is from Agbo, the Agbo Road axis, Ipoba Hill. The pickup point is Ramat Park. Ramat Park. So, as many as want to attend, if they come to Ramat Park, there will be buses there to pick them to the stadium. We are not just picking them to the stadium, we are returning them back. And at the point of entering, there will be issued free tickets to watch the football, so there will be no embarrassment when they get to the stadium. Then we have the second route, King Square. People around that area can go to number 1 Mission Road, ECTS main terminal at the King Square axis. If you get there, you'll get buses to board to the stadium and get your free ticket also. And then from Ugbawa, we have main gate. The pickup is our main gate and ECTS turning point at Oluku, that's Naifo Junction. Everybody living around that area, just go there on the 19th by 12 p.m. These buses will be all available at their strategic points to pick everybody. We have Sapler Road. The pickup point is by Winners Chapel. Then by Airport Road, we have ADP Junction and Estate Gates. Along Ekewan axis, we have Ojemai Farms. If you want to attend, and I encourage everybody to attend, buses will be available at Ojemai Farms. Free tickets will be available at the same point to take us to the Ogbe Stadium for the match. We must win this match. We just must win this match. We can't afford to lose it. And we have to be available to support our team. Then Siloko Ogida, channels 55 is the pickup point. Then Aduwawa Enya axis, we have Pipeline and Idokba Town Hall. Then New Benin axis, we'll have buses positioned at Mission Road Junction by Total Filling Station. And then by Upper Sokomba, we have Garoti and the Third East Circular Junction. So I'm encouraging, I'm begging, I'm appealing to everybody to come out. It's Bendel Insurance, come out so that we can win together.
Some Ogbe people wait tanda for the talk section na Permanent Secretary Edo State Sports Commission, Sabina Shikere, among others. Make them not forget, say, as we see am, now so we dey talk am, we know they take blame. From Samuel Stadium, Benin City, Pelumi Mukoro, TMC TV News.